It's been a while. Hey my weirdos and weirdettes, welcome to my channel. But if you're already part of the crew, what it do? Alright guys, first off, let me get rid of these glasses and throw on the contacts. Yeah, I know the contacts get you girl a little teary-eyed. So you guys have been enjoying the videos when I get straight to the point and just do what it is what I came to do. I miss talking to you guys, I miss recording. This feels great. So with that being said, you know your girl a little pregnant, so I might be out of breath. It might be a little so we're doing a Target haul. I've got a few items from Target. I actually got these. Can we zoom out a little bit? No, is it gonna show y'all too much? All right, I actually got these a few months ago, but because I've been feeling sick and this pregnancy has been kicking my behind, I never got a chance to actually record a video and upload for you guys. So we're gonna do that today. Well, you guys are gonna see it today, but I'm gonna be doing it before y'all see it. Y'all get the gist. So I'm gonna show y'all as I go. It's not a beauty tutorial. It's just to basically kind of give my review on these products to see if it's something that, you know, you guys like. So I didn't get everything. I got everything from Target, but I couldn't find everything that I needed, like makeup wipes and things like that. So y'all know when it comes to stuff like that, we gonna wing it, okay? So y'all know I always start with eyebrows. These are what I normally use for eyebrows, which is the e.l.f. pencil. I always get in a color deep brown. So we're not gonna use this today, but that's what I normally use. I decided to go with a different pencil this time. And we're gonna go in with the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim. Now, the reason why I'm going in with the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim is because I've watched videos where girls will use like really thin eyebrow pencils, and it gives like more of the little feather effect. I'll insert like a little picture of what that looks like, and it looks way more natural. So I'm gonna see if I can give y'all that today. Probably not, but we're gonna try it anyways and see if this, you know, if this pencil is given, if it's a hit or miss, okay? So before it used to take me forever to do my eyebrows, but now I can do it in like under 5 minutes. Y'all know I ain't got no eyebrows, so don't come for my chest. Someone one time asked me, what do you think you're brushing? Like, I don't see you brushing anything. Mind your business. This is what it looks like. It's really thin, y'all. It's like mad thin. This side of my eyebrow is fuller than that side. I don't think I accomplished what I was trying to accomplish, which is the feather look. Again, picture for, you know, comparison. And I don't think I accomplished that. On this side, it's a little bit harder because I don't have much hair. So it looks like a regular created eyebrow. On that side, I like this side a little better because I feel like it looks more natural. If you see it in person, I don't know if y'all can see it. But you see that? You see how this looks more like feathery hair, and this just look like I drew on an eyebrow. So they sister wives today, okay? I got this idea mainly from I think her YouTube channel is called Teresa Walker. Tiara Walker. I love watching her videos. Her makeup, her eyebrows be voila, and her makeup be to the point. Like they be on point. The foundation that I got was the Maybelline Fit Me in a color Tan Hell. I don't even know if this is my color. It looks kind of dark or bright. What y'all think? And it's in the color Light Medium. So this is our next product. Alright, y'all, so I always have a tendency of picking out concealers that are too close to my skin tone, which I've done once again. But we're not even gonna trip. And then my foundations are always too bright for my skin. How much I wanna bet this foundation gonna be too bright for my skin? Eyebrows are sister wives and not twins, but it's okay, we're gonna deal. But so far the concealer is not bad at all. I'm gonna try to blend it and see what it turns out looking like. So the next product I have for you is the L'Oreal Paris, why I said Maybelline, the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour wear foundation, and it also has sunscreen in it, Spectrum SPF 25. And I got it in the color 515. We could already see that this don't look nothing like my color. I always do this. My concealer always too mellow, and then my foundation's always too bright. So of course, like always, I'm gonna use my InStylish Beauty Blender, my favorite. It's a little watery. That's one thing I will say. Y'all see that? It's about to drip. It's a little watery. It's not that thick. So if y'all looking for thick, this is not it. Oh, this is bright. Lord, I look orange. Why do I look orange? Oh my god, I always do this. Oh my gosh, y'all see this mess? Oh my gosh. Whatever, we're just gonna flip it out. And what I will say though is this foundation got hella coverage. Y'all see my glasses marks? They're already covered. My eyes, dark circles are gone. Dark circles where? Like, it has very good coverage. I don't even think I need a second coat. I think this is enough. And it's starting to look matte. Like, it don't look greasy. I'm loving the foundation. Might keep it. Might actually wear it. Probably not. Now let's see how this concealer gonna do under the eyes, okay? I think I'm using too much concealer. Nah. So the original lashes that I got from Target were these, which is the Ardell lashes, and I got them in a style B curl. But I recently went out of town and used them and don't know where they went. So I'm pretty sure I got these from the beauty supply. They're so dramatic. I'm not a big fan of them, but these are what we're gonna use today because these might be a little too long for my eyes. They look kind of long. I think it might be a little too long for my eyes. These lashes are too much, y'all. Y'all don't never see me put nothing like this on. I always stick to like natural looking eyelashes, like, you know, the classic mink looking lashes. I make fun of girls who wear these kind of lashes. That's sad, huh? But it's just, they be looking like they ready to fly. Like, go ahead, go with the wind. The next thing I'm gonna do is eyeshadow. So the two eyeshadows I got, y'all know I love e.l.f. I got this one, which is more like a matte pink eyeshadow by e.l.f. It's in the color Rose Quartz. So, yeah, I know I like the liquid shadows. I don't do the whole palette thing because it's too much work. And it's so far more easier to just do liquid shadow. A bit more shimmery. I got a few of these already, like in different colors. And this one is in the color Little Dipper. It's liquid metallic eyeshadow. Yeah, it's in the color Little Dipper. You don't really need a base for it. I normally put concealer on my eyelids so that my eyeshadow pops more. But the concealer is coming off on the stick. So it's making it harder to see the pink a little bit. But I'm gonna throw some on this side because I already know that I'm gonna put the shimmery on top because I'm not really digging the pink without the shimmer. If y'all like it like this, then go ahead, y'all. Do y'all's like this, but your girl loves glitter, even on my nails. So I'm gonna go with the glitter. The lashes are too much. They cover the whole eyeshadow. You can barely see the pop, the bling, the closing. So let's just go on to our next thing. This is London. I started off trying to do like lip liner stuff, but I don't like how it looks on the outline. Like it really blends in with my foundation. So I'm going to use Soft Spoken to outline. I don't like how Soft Spoken look either, y'all. Where's my other lip liners? What's Club Hopper? Okay, so here's Club Hopper, which I also got from Target, but I got it before I bought these things. Club Hopper is my go-to. Like, it really do the down thing. Alright. So I have London in the center and Club Hopper outlined London. Typically, I would just put lip gloss over this and that's it. We got a look. But since I bought lip glosses, I brought this one. It's like a Stay Matte lip color, but I'm not gonna use this because I really don't like it. But the newest one that I bought is this Lifter Gloss. Lifter Gloss. I think it's supposed to like make your lips plumper. They're also by Maybelline in the color Reef 06. Not bad. I didn't put too much, but I like how it smells. It smells really good. I don't like matte lips. I always try to go for like a glossier look. I prefer the glossier look. But my lip glosses are like non-existent right now. Where the hell are my lip glosses? I'm thinking, should I go with cherry or the pink gloss? I think I'm gonna do the pink gloss. The pink gloss, the cherry is like for plain. I like a little, you know, I like sparkle. The pink gloss got a little, it got a little tint and sparkle to it that I like. I feel like I basically connected the whole ombre, which doesn't matter because I like how it looks. Yes, Alex. So I can go ahead and send y'all on y'all Mary White is eyeliner. This is also by e.l.f. Target has a lot of e.l.f. items, y'all, and it was really hard finding makeup that wasn't e.l.f. or like NYX or like Maybelline. Like, the lashes are good, but it definitely takes away from the look because can't see my eyeshadow, can't see my eyeliner. So how can y'all really grade it or say if y'all like it? I messed up on the eyeliner. Y'all see how thick that is? Like, but the eyeliner quality itself is really good, y'all. So I'll probably be buying more of those from Target. This is the finished look. Let me know if y'all love my hair. I love my hair. I'm kind of obsessed with it right now. It's so cool. Look at my beads. But yeah, so this is the finished look, y'all. It looks amazing. Amazing. And if y'all want to know about my hair, these are like knotless Marley twists. You see how natural looking they look? They look so natural. But that's not the point of this video. But it's the end of the video, y'all. On my face is Target products. I didn't get no setting spray from Target because, what's that? That's the shadow of the damn lash. I didn't get no setting spray from Target because they didn't have any. So, and I do have a MAC setting spray here, but I'm not too fond of it. I feel like the only thing that I should probably do a little bit of is bake. I feel like my face is so much brighter than my neck, and that annoys the crap out of me, y'all. Let's do some light baking. That's the only thing that I have not done, and maybe that'll help brighten under my eyes because the concealer didn't really do much brightening under my eye. So maybe the baking will. I think that's the only thing that I kind of missed, that step. And I don't like to leave bake on my face for too long because it look crazy. And we give that about 5 to 10 seconds, and then we whoop. Cause this baking, when this baking powder get on your face, it stick. I missed a little bit of the spot there, right into my eye. Like when I say a stick, it stick. I love the look, yeah. Let me know what y'all think about this look down below, and please guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to be notified, and don't forget to tell a friend so they could tell a friend so they could tell a friend so they could tell another friend so that friend could come back and watch me. Oh, and as far as rating the products, I love the foundation. The concealer kind of blends with my skin, but that's all right when I want to do like real natural looks without foundation. I love the eyebrow pencil. The only thing that I do not like, honestly, is the lashes. For you, it may be great. You might like to fly, but I prefer natural looking mink lashes. I do feel like it does dramatize my look a little bit, but I feel like it casts away from my eyeshadow and my eyeliner, which I like for my eyeshadow and my eyeliner to show. So that's the only thing. After that, the lips, the hair, even though I don't got nothing to do with this video, the eyebrows and all of that, I'm loving it. Let me know your opinions down below. Just tell me what y'all think. Let me know if y'all rocking with it. Like, let me know. Or am I just being too conceited or too cocky? Like, let me know. So down below, let me know. Until next time, peeps.